Hi guys, welcoming you back just at my channel in this new year, and I'm happy that we are stay together, or maybe you are the newcomer. So today I'm gonna show you this strategy. I actually quite love it, and I do think it's quite the lucky strategy, if it's actually can call me like that. So let's test it out. Let's check how it's gonna be working for today's market. Here we are at the position where we just making all our strategies working, and setup's quite important. Here's gonna be MACD. I've been receiving some actually comments that I do explain it quite good, and it's just MACD is explaining how the MACD works. Actually quite easy indicator to use. If you know it, if you can handle it, it's gonna be your favorite one. You're just gonna add it in every strategy that you are having. And here CCI, I would say quite a useful one, but not that trustable just because there's only one line. In MACD we have two lines plus the candles plus the levels below and above zero, so quite a bigger and massive info for us. Here's the parabolic SAR and the dots of it. I don't like it much, just because there's no actually situations where I can trust it in solo, or we can actually read only that indicator. And for me, that's actually means that that's not the indicator that I'm gonna be just loving. And here we are. Look at the MACD, look at the CCI, look at the parabolic SAR from that position. That's quite fine. And let's try it, let's test it, how it's gonna be. And of course we are looking for some combination in that case. And we are just right here. Look at that, it's quite out of even 3 indicators right here. We are getting downward. Look at the parabolic SAR, downward, CCI downward, and we still have some space till the bottom line. MACD downward with the line, the green line, the line that we are looking for, and down with the candles even below zero. So stable, I would say. So we are where we are. Here's a little bit and tiny tendency with the CCI crossing the line, with the MACD giving us some green candles, but then just vanished that. But anyway, that's a tiny signs. We're gonna change the tendency quite soon, but we just ended. We were just fine with that. And second situations for us, I am just raising the bat that I'm gonna have. Stretching, and here we are getting upward out of all indicators, even with the parabolic SAR getting upward. So let's check it out. So I'm not gonna get you exhausted and tired about all these heavy explanations, just because the strategy is quite easy. So yep, a little bit tricky one. It's like we're getting a little bit more downward than I wanted, but we were just right in time. Look at the CCI and the MACD. Yep, there is a tiny signs that we are at the plateau, but we were just right before it. And here's the situations where we actually can predict it's going to be the upward one. And look at the parabolic SAR. We just started. Look at the CCI. We still have some tiny space, but this is actually the bad sign from the CCI, because it may tell us that we are just the resistance line. And with the MACD, the lines are quite more far than it was before, and the crossing just happened a while ago, so maybe we still have some space and time. And that actually happened a little bit tricky with that bats, but I do think it's gonna be all fine. And look at that, we actually just having the smallest bat is okay. We have it as a win, and I'm just expecting that it's gonna be rising. Please just rise. And we're gonna get the second one, the second one too, as a profit. And the thing is, the tricky thing, that this one with the doubt was actually the first one and the biggest one, and that one, the second one, the smallest, but I was quite sure that it's gonna be just all fine. And here, again, easy, nice and smooth. All 3 indicators showing us we're getting upward, downward, guys. We're getting downward, and here even I'm satisfied today with the parabolic star. I've been telling you lots of crap about that indicator, but today it's just working as it is. It is as it actually supposed to be. So in that strategy, I do recommend it, and I highly recommend. Yeah, but I told you that it's perfect situation, perfect strategy, perfect parabolic star, but we are quite close to be safe. To be unsafe, I would say. Second one is 2. Yeah, but the second one is 2 because I was just actually afraid that I'm not gonna get. Was it both of it? Right, I think yes. Because I was just, I was scared that I'm gonna lose one of them. Yep, working just perfectly, but the fall wasn't, that drastic as I wanted to be. That's it. Let's make that one as the last one, and look at the parabolic star, the dot of it, which is getting downward, and the MACD line, yep, the green line actually above, but the candles are red, and I do expect some crossing, and sometimes that crossing are just happening a little bit before the tendency, the changing of direction, but sometimes it's happening actually a little bit after. CCI looking downward. Let's check it out. So, yeah, the candle was green, and the second candle again is green, but actually I do think it's quite fine for us. I do think that all of them gonna be profitable. Yeah, it just worked out because again and again, all 3 indicators showing us we're getting downward. Maybe not that fast, but getting downward anyway. So we just finished and done. I am satisfied that you have, the vibrant energy. I kinda like that. And even with the parabolic star, usually I tell lots of bad things in the end after this indicator being used. But this time, it's just the right place for it. It's just the right trading to show it a, nice, successful, and helpful one. So we're just done. And let's stay together and get for some more.